Okay, 2023 Ford EcoSport 3-cylinder 1.0 turbo replacement. Turbo is out already. This is the one from the LKQ. It's gonna go back in. This is the one that came out. So we had a underboost turbo. We checked the wastegate. The wastegate was working. Everything was working. We came up to the conclusion that the turbo by itself is bad. So I'm gonna show you our diagnostic right here. If you see that purple, which my finger is, see, I'm trying to turn it. It's just freezed up. It's frozen. It's not gonna turn. That's why the vehicle didn't have power. But right here, I don't know if you can see it. See my finger? Let me see if I can give you a better light. Let me see. Yeah, right there. See? It's turning easily. See? It's turning easily. Okay. That's gonna be the issue. So we're gonna put it back together, reset the code and drive it. And the other thing is it's just 4 bolts right here, number 13. The connector right here for the exhaust. Take the oxygen sensor out for more maneuverability. So this connector needs to be come off. And make sure about the hose, the line, the oil line. This is the seal, copper seal for the oil line, washer. This is the washer or gasket for that. This is the gasket for the exhaust. I mean, there is nothing special that I need to tell you. There is one more feeding oil goes all the way down there. You can take it off from right here with the 10, where my finger is pointed, just there, that hole. And that should be all about. Again, guys, the reason that I'm making that very short videos and just skip all the details, because I'm making videos for those who already have some kind of experience, and they already know how to work on the vehicles and how to turn the wrench. Other than that, some of the videos and some of the jobs are not DIY, and it's better to take it to the certified auto repair shop so they can get the job done for you. Again, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. God bless you. Thank you.